Hey, so that's what 40 millimeter graphene drivers sound like. Hey, not too bad, Ghostek, not too bad. So my last review with Ghostek went well, but not so well. Just right off the top, Ghostek, you have fully 100% redeemed yourself with the Ghostek Rapture. Man, okay, so where do I start? First of all, when you pull these things out the box, there's not a whole lot in the box, man. You don't get a bunch of craziness that you don't need to pay for. You get a 3.5 millimeter cable. There's no mic or nothing on there. And then you get your USB, your micro USB cord, which you probably have plenty of. And then you get this super duper nice Ghostek branded. You probably can't even see it, but it's got this embossed Ghostek branding on both sides of the bag. And it's like this shiny leather material, man. It reminds you of one of them shiny leather jackets. Oh, it's pretty smooth, man. Then on the inside, it's not felt, it's just cloth, probably some just regular old cotton, but it's got this red soft material in here, and it's a drawstring. And you know what's cool about this? I've gotten a lot of headphones, man, that come with pouches, right? I noticed how long this one is right off the top, and the headphones actually fold up pretty compact, but they actually fit in the pouch comfortably. You don't have to shimmy them in there. I appreciate that, Ghostek. I've gotten so many pouches with headphones where the headphones don't even fit in the pouch. It's like, did y'all put the wrong pouch in there? I appreciate the fact that there's an ample room in there. So you can even put this stuff in there, or you can even get a longer one if you have one and roll it up and put it in there. You got extra room, and it's not, I mean, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful package. So let's take these things out of here and talk about the build quality of these. Oh, this is premium. It's probably the most premium headphone Ghostek makes as far as build quality. I've had in my hand the Soul Drop 2s and the Canons. We know how I felt about the Canons. Best headphones I've ever heard in my life. However, the build quality was just not up to speed. These are a full departure from that. You still have that, I guess this is a signature of Ghostek. You have a like a perforated leather or perforated vinyl with your embossed Ghostek branding in there. I really like it. And then on the inside of the headphones, if you can see in here, the pad is not, it's not like a full pad. They've actually kind of, it's a real plush. It's like a tufted pad almost. So it's kind of cool how they did that. It's enough padding in there to cushion your head to where it doesn't hurt the top of my head right here, because I didn't set it off. Okay. It doesn't hurt my head right here when I hit the pad. All right, so right here, all this is metal. I don't know what kind of metal it is, but it is metal. It does fold in just like I showed you, and it comes down. So this is unique. I've never seen this done in headphones before. The slider, it doesn't slide from here like you normally think it would. It slides from inside the ear cup. Let me get close in so you can see that. It slides in just like that. It's built into the arm right there, and you got plenty of swivel, so that's nice. It swivels basically 360 degrees. So if you can't lay these on your ears in a comfortable way, then something's wrong with you. Now on the ear cup, you have this perforated leather slash vinyl on the backside, which is usually plastic, so it gives it a more premium feel, and it just feels luxurious, man. It's just, like I said, it's like that BMW racing kind of stuff you see in sports vehicles. But then you come around, and this is a plastic ear cup right here, this brushed metal looking stuff. I do believe this is plastic, but on the other side is where you have your ear cup. Now this is different too. Now, I'll be honest with you, when I saw them, they didn't look comfortable because they were square and because this was flat. But when you put your hand on it, you can actually feel that there's a recessed ear cup in there, and that's where your driver lies, on the inside of there. So it's actually circular, or maybe oblong. I can't even tell, but your ear does squeeze into there, and it's kind of like a regular ear cup in there, but it's in the shape of the square, and that's where all the sound comes out, through that little hole right there. There is a hole in there. I don't know if your ears will be small enough to fit in there. These would be considered, just by their shape, they would be considered on ear, but they give you the feeling of over ear headphones. So I don't know, you might need to just try these on to see how you feel about them, because they're very comfortable. My favorites are over ear, but since these feel like over ear but they look like on ear, it's kind of a hybrid. But yeah, they feel super comfortable. I mean, this is some of the most comfortable, soft vinyl leather I've ever put on my ears, man. And they did a good job with it too, especially since, you know, for the design of the ear cup, they use the best materials possible, I feel like, because this is nice. As far as the build quality, Ghostek 100%, it's a go. Now, let's talk about the hardware on this stuff. So you got a volume up and down, and in the middle of that, you have an LED and you have a multifunction button. Now, if you press and hold your up and down button, is forward and back track. But man, I really appreciate this. Hey, headphone companies, I know you've already got your other products out. Nothing we can do about that. But from here on out, this video was out, so I'm telling you now, headphone companies, take note at what Ghostek is doing. They got a battery indicator here. Now let's see if they got 4 LEDs, kind of like one of those battery chargers, 4 LEDs. So let me see if I can actually operate it. Yeah, so if you, it keeps turning on. So when it's on, you can see I'm fully lit right here, man. I got 100% battery. And so that way you know, you don't need to put in fancy voice prompts or nothing like that. Just give me something visible. I can see whether I need to charge my batteries up or not. 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So that's nice. I love that touch. And then you got this micro USB port right here. And then you got, looks like a mic. And then you got your 3.5 millimeter jack. Booyah. Hey, there's Ghostek branding on the bottom of there. And then on this side, this is the share me button. So basically you hit this button on this one, hit it on the next one, and y'all are sharing the same Bluetooth music, man. That's a nice feature to have. Let's say you got one for 2 of your kids. Both kids have Raptures, they can share the same audio. Let's say you got one for you and the lady, so she's got a different color. They got red, they got brown, they got black. Let's say she's got the red ones, you got the black ones, or the brown ones. If y'all want to share the same audio, you can do that at the press of a button. So as far as like the build quality and all the features that these pack, excellent job, Ghostek. I am impressed. I wasn't expecting to be this impressed when I saw these online, man. I'm ridiculously impressed with these headphones. Now, the most important part of these headphones, it would have to be sound, because comfort for me would be number 2, style would probably number 3, but the most important thing is sound. I checked these out last night when they came, and I gotta tell you, I am impressed, man. So they use 40 millimeter graphene drivers. I don't even know what that is. I'll be honest with you, man. I ain't no expert in this stuff, but whatever it is, it's graphene and it sounds good. I'm telling you, they give you a real tight bass response. All right, so they do get low. These are not like bass head headphones. So if all you listen to is a hip hop and just bass and that's all you want, maybe go somewhere else. But these pack plenty of bass for a guy like me, because I listen to all music genres and I've tested them out. And I played around with my EQ. I tested it out on my country, my smooth jazz, my hip hop. You just heard me listening to that Attention, but I guess that would be considered pop. Sounds fantastic in here. Nice sharp bass. It just sounds good. The highs are clean. Oh man, the highs that come out of here are clean. The mid ranges are present. They're not muddied up. They're not like recessed by all the bass. Because like I said, you do get bass in these. Very, very well balanced headphones. I am impressed. Like seriously, I can't say that enough how impressed I am with these headphones. Good for overall listening. So for sound, I definitely give these a 9/10 out of 10, man. These are excellent headphones, man. Great choice, especially for the price point. You're getting quality built right into the headphones. I mean, it screams quality and kind of luxury all the way through. I'm really interested to see what the brown ones look like. I'm a big fan of brown headphones. Like, I think I might have to check out the brown ones. But as far as quality, man, you're getting everything you pay for. As far as sound, you're getting everything you pay for. You cannot go wrong checking out the Ghostek Raptures. Now, I ain't claiming to be no expert in this kind of stuff. All I want to do is get my jam on, and I'm doing it right now, so y'all got to get out of here. Wait, whoa. Before you do, y'all know what to do. Tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.